This is a Super Seal Python vehicle restraint combo panel. I have the light inside to show you how the lights work. The vehicle restraint is outdoors. I have a block of wood to resemble the ICC bar, and there's a wheel chock for when you have to put it in bypass mode. So at this moment, the light outside is green. That means the trailer can back up. The light inside is red. That means the hook is not locked. If we try to use the dock leveler, it does not work until you have the vehicle restraint engaged. So now the vehicle restraint is engaged. We have a positive lock light inside, and the light outside is red. That means the trailer cannot leave. There's the positive hook. And now the dock leveler is active. You cannot release the restraint until the lip is parked again. There's a sensor underneath the lip. So when you press release and the lip is not parked, it will not release the truck and the lights won't change. You have to park the dock leveler and the lights will change. So now we can release, and I will show what happens if the trailer gets hooked on the ICC bar. So we can engage. We're hooked on, and then I will release, and now we're stuck. And the lights inside and outside are flashing to tell the driver that the hook is not totally released, and all he has to do is back up. The hook goes down, and he can drive away. The lights change back from green to red. If there is no ICC bar, we can engage. The hook will come up. It doesn't see an ICC bar. The light inside flashes red. There's a horn, and the light outside is red as well. Now we can either release or hit bypass. Bypass means we have to put a wheel chock under the wheels because there is no ICC bar, so the vehicle restraint is not in use. But the lights do change to red outside to warn the driver not to leave, and the lights inside are green with caution flashing red. So if we hit release, outside is red, outside is green, inside is red, and now the trailer can leave again.